From the bustling activity of the hive to our state-of-the-art facility, we ensure every jar of honey meets the highest standards.
Here we see the developing larvae, or grubs, hidden within the honeycomb. They consume a rich mixture of pollen and royal jelly before they pupate.
The life cycle begins here. These tiny C-shaped larvae
The meticulous care within the hive is evident as the worker bees deposit the viscous royal jelly, essential for the larvae's growth.
The hive is a model of efficiency. Here we see a worker bee meticulously cleaning itself before returning to its tasks.
The overall narrative context is about the waggle ants and nectar source, visually represented first by
The waggle dance is a sophisticated form of communication, indicating both the direction and the distance to
Nectar is stored in the crop, seen here glowing golden. The adjacent cargo hold, or ventriculus, handles digestion.
accuracy. Here we see the crop, or fuel tank. Not even close, nectar is about 70 to 80% water.
Invertase breaks down complex sugars into simple ones. Glucose and fructose then, they spread the nectar across the honeycomb cells, creating an airflow that evaporates the water, beating their wings at 200 beats per second, and start fanning thousands of bees.
The collective fanning effort allows the hive to maintain a precise temperature. This is crucial for the colony.
95 degrees Fahrenheit, 48 hours for the nectar to transform into honey when it reaches that magic 18% moisture level.
The diligent worker bees meticulously seal each cell with a layer of frothy white wax. Ensure
We gently puff smoke towards the entrance. This encourages the bees to gorge on honey, making them more docile before we open the hive.
have to use this tool to break the seal. That dark, sticky substance there is propolis, often called bee glue, which they use to protect the hive.
Careful with that one, it's heavy.
Got it. This truck is almost full.
It's brutal, but necessary. Boxes, bees, everything. The only solution is to burn the entire hive frames to prevent.
As you can see, this frame is absolutely covered with healthy worker bees. We look for strong activity like this, it tells us the hive is thriving.
We're looking for healthy brood patterns. A strong hive like this can produce over 100 pounds of honey, making them incredibly valuable assets.
Once the hives are collected from the field, they are transported directly to our state-of-the-art processing facility.
Showcasing the critical role of controlled rotation speed, the extractor ramps up from 0 to 150 RPM, efficiently.
Precise temperature control is crucial. We maintain the honey at exactly 98.5 degrees Fahrenheit.
If the honey exceeds 115 degrees, but temperature is everything, just enough to flow through the fine mesh.
The green line indicates stable enzymatic activity. We monitor this closely during processing to ensure peak quality.
Too cold and the honey starts to crystallize. Too warm and quality degrades. 80 to 85.
As you can see from the NMR spectra here, the compounds are exactly what we expect in high-quality honey. We analyzed every batch.
Too tight and the lid becomes difficult to open. Tightens them to a precise specification. Tightens them to a precise specification. Here we see the vital work of the honeybee in the clover fields. Their efforts produce the diverse range of honeys.
This is migratory beekeeping. We follow the blooms like a nomadic honey caravan, trucked from location to location.
To rear a new queen, the beekeeper carefully grafts the tiny larva into an artificial cell, ensuring it
Based on the microscopic analysis and the data visualization, the enzymatic activity is exactly where we want it.
The journey from the bustling hive to this perfect drizzle takes dedication, ensuring every drop of golden honey is pure and natural. From the vibrant flower to the intricate hive. Honeybees.
The intricate life cycle of the honeybee is a marvel of nature. Here, a new
The process begins here, in the vibrant fields. The worker bee collects the nectar and pollen.
Deep within this vibrant tapestry of wildflowers, the tireless work of the honeybee begins.
The honeybee, a marvel of nature, diligently collects the nectar and pollen essential for the hive.